Is your Oral-B IO Series 9 toothbrush not holding a charge? You're not alone. Many users, especially those with you manufactured between 2020 and 2023, have reported battery problems. Common symptoms include rapid battery drain lasting less than 5 days instead of the advertised 14 days, failure to hold charge after a full charging cycle, and intermittent charging issues with the magnetic charger. The IO Series 9 uses a lithium-ion rechargeable battery with a capacity of approximately 1,000 milliamp hours and an expected lifespan of 2 to 3 years with normal use. Let's start with basic troubleshooting. First, try a reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the device shuts down, then charge it uninterrupted for 24 hours. Also, clean the magnetic charging contacts with isopropyl alcohol to remove any debris or buildup from both the device and charger. Make sure the charger is providing a consistent 5-volt DC output. If the output is inconsistent or below 4.5 volts, the charger may need replacement. These simple steps can often resolve the issue. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your battery issues, the next step is battery calibration. This process helps reset the battery management system and can restore proper charging behavior. The calibration process involves 3 key steps. First, fully discharge your toothbrush until it completely powers off. Then charge it uninterrupted for 4 to 6 hours. Finally, repeat this complete cycle 2 to 3 times. Temperature plays a crucial role in battery performance and charging efficiency. Always charge your toothbrush at room temperature, between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, or 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. For hardware-level battery issues that calibration cannot fix, professional battery replacement is available. This service typically costs between $40 and $80, which is significantly less than purchasing a new toothbrush. Good news for recent buyers. Oral-B has reportedly improved battery quality in units manufactured after mid-2023. These newer models feature enhanced battery cells, better charging circuits, and improved thermal management. Prevention is always better than repair. To maximize your battery's lifespan, avoid continuous charging when not in use, perform monthly full discharge and recharge cycles, and store your toothbrush in a temperature-controlled environment. If problems persist despite following these advanced solutions, contact Oral-B customer service for warranty support. This is especially important if your device is still within the warranty period, as battery-related issues are often covered under warranty replacement programs.